Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Zaihan bin Awad. My matrix number is 07DKM21F1036. I will be candidate A and I'm a group leader.
Hello, my name is Naim Hazik bin Yusuf. My matrix number 07DKM21F1002.
My name is Elvon Jasman and my matrix number is 07DKM21F1008.
My name is Muhammad Afnan. My matrix number is 07DKM21F1022. I from DKM 1B.
Our topic is railway construction.
Introduction about railroad construction. Newer infrastructure has greatly advanced rail vehicles. Today there are automobiles that can operate on and off railroad tracks. The fastest train in the world, the CRH-380A, can reach a top speed of 300 miles per hour. Railroad tracks allow train driving without the need for a steering wheel. It consists of two parallel steel rails mounted on beams embedded in gravel. The type fastener used depends in part on the type of rail used. Spikes are used on wooden rail, while clips are more used for concrete or cement runway. The standard process to join two rails is shielded metal arc welding (SMAW), gas metal arc welding (GMAW), flux core arc welding (FCAW), flash welding (FW), and termite welding (TW). However, this case study will focus only about shielded metal arc welding (SMAW).
Okay, for the type of welding, the operation used in making railroad tracks is arc welding. This operation is used because the goods needed are very easy to find and cheap. The thick metal causes arc welding to be easily applied to the metal. Lastly, the work of building the foundation will be ready and organized more quickly. Thank you.
The next is explanation of basic concept for that type of welding. Basic concept of shielded metal arc welding (SMAW). Shielded metal arc welding (SMAW), in which the electric arc is produced to give heat for purpose of joining metal, is called electric arc welding. How the shielded metal arc welding (SMAW) operation? The first is power supply is given to electrode. A suitable gap is kept between the work and joint electrode. Second, a high current is passed through the circuit. An arc is produced around the area to be welded 4000 degrees. Third, the heat melts each to be welded and molten pool is formed. Lastly, on solidification, the welding joint is obtained.
Now I want to talk about advantages and disadvantages of arc welding in railway construction. First, let's talk about advantages. First advantages is the condition of the railway will be maintained longer. This is because the joint toughness is good. And if the railway condition is maintained longer, the maintenance cost will be reduced. Next, arc welding is a high-speed welding process compared to other. The material is easy to transport and arc welding is simple to operate. Next, arc welding has less spark and smoke compared to other, and arc welding can use in tight place in the railway. This will make the riding quality good for the train. Now I want to talk about disadvantages. Arc welding disadvantages is arc welding has a lower efficiency. Arc welding also need a high skill level to operate this welding, so we can avoid waste. In this arc welding, slag are difficult to detect. This will make the weld joint is not very good. Now I want to talk about the type of weld joint on railway construction. First weld joint is butt joint. Butt joint is made by two pieces of metal put in the same places and has a same thickness. Next weld joint is T-joint. T-joint is almost same as corner joint. T-joint need two pieces of metal and put one on the bottom and one on the top and form a letter T.
Now I will explain about tools in arc welding. The tools is like welding machine, electrode holder, earth clamp, chipping hammer, wire brush, safety shoe, shield, glove and jacket. Welding machine is used to connect metal piece with heat generated from electrical energy. Electrode holder is for to hold electrode when doing a welding activity. Earth clamp is used to connect the ground cable to workpiece. Chipping hammer is used for remove slack after doing arc welding. Wire brush is for clean workpiece from dust. Safety gear like safety shoes, shield, glove and jacket is used to prevent injuries in the workshop. Procedure in arc welding. First, we must clean the workpiece with the wire brush for remove the dust on the workpiece. Number 2, we must wear a safety gear before starting project. Number 3, we must prepare all equipment before welding. Number 4, during the arc welding properly until finish the project. Number 5 is we must remove the slack with the chipping hammer after finish the project. Number 6, turn off all switch after finish the welding activity. Lastly, clean the arc welding workshop like before.